Guys, this is the greatest coffee maker I've ever bought in my life. And I've had plenty. This is the Ninja coffee brewer. It's the single serve. This is fully adjustable. You could go all the way down if you want to put a tumbler down there and pour it in. You can move it up if you want to do espresso. This has the single pour and it has the dual holes depending on the strength that you want. This, look at this. You have plenty of options here. Classic, rich, you can see, I think my wife put it on rich. Cold brew, over ice, specialty 4 ounce. You have multiple sizes all the way from 6 ounce all the way up to 24 ounces in this single machine. You have a self-clean option right there. You can select, very easy. You just click the style for every style you want, size for every size. You hit one button, brew, you're done. This here, nice polished chrome finish. You just lift it up. Now this is the best part. Look at this. What's that? That doesn't look like you put K-cups in there, does it? Well, it's because you can't. But you can put single serve ground coffee in there, which is absolutely amazing. And the best part about this is that when you lift it up, you just lift it up to clean it. Look, you pull it out, boom, and guess what you're going to do now? Guess what you're going to do now? We're going to go down here to the self-storage compartment. Look at this. And that's going to be your K-cup coffee. That's going to go right in there. Actually, I'm sorry. You got to take this part out. I did that wrong. See, I'm still new to the game. So look, you take this out. This part comes out. This part stays in. And then this K-cup goes right there. It fits in like a puzzle. And then you put your K-cup there. Now you have your single serve K-cup. My wife loves doing the ground coffee now. Before she didn't like the ground coffee because, you know, it's ground coffee. But now you can do single serve ground coffee. Oh my God. So now we have single serve. And look, if you want ground coffee, you put it on the bean. If you want it on K-cup, you put it on the K-cup. Let's talk about the frother on the side. You got your own milk frother on the side of the coffee maker. You have the Reserve, which this comes off. I'm not going to take it off because it's full of water right now. But you have the Reserve that has the markings on it to tell you how much water is left. Okay, with the max fill. And this just pops off. Easy. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. This is by far the best Ninja product. Oh, don't forget about the scoop. Comes with the measuring scoop. So when you have your grounds, you measure exactly so that way your coffee comes out perfect every time. Guys, you need this. This is the standard for coffee. For single serve coffee, my goodness. One button shut off, it's done. I love my Ninja. And it's so easy to clean too. You guys need to check this out. 10 out of 10. I'll catch you guys in the next one.